Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the Surya's special birthday mashup 2020.
It is tribute to Surya sir, and the video is made by Manzoor Rashid, and he will be 45 years old.
Right.
Okay, so many happy returns of the day in advance. On that day also we have a plan to give the reaction.
Yes.
So yeah, let's get started with the video, but before that we have to say something, right?
Right. So
some tragic story.
right. So this time we are giving our reaction on the new channel. Just because we got 3 copyright strike on
More than
our old
3
channel. Yes. So after that we are not able to upload anything right now.
So we have 7 days time. Okay, after that our channel may get blocked.
So yes, we are trying and we are working hard to get it back.
Yes. So please pray for us, and we already informed that thing in the community section, so I think most of you have known that. And please watch this video in this channel.
Yes, and also please subscribe to this channel as well. Yes, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit 2.0.
Yes. So yes, I know that you guys always support us, and your love, blessing, support always are there. That is why we have reached this position, but we don't know what will be happened. Personally we are very down now, but we thought, okay, not let's not show that how much we are in pain in front of the camera. So that's why we are smiling and we are talking to you. So that is it, and now let's get started with the video. So let's get started, but before that, if you like, please subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. चलो झट से शुरू करते हैं.
सिंगम
சூர்யா கார்மெண்ட் ஃபேக்டரியிலேயே மேனேஜர் போஸ்ட் வரைக்கும் வளர்ந்து சிம்பிளான ஒரு வாழ்க்கையை வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருந்தாரு.
Okay, he started as a manager post after college in garment factory. நடக்க தெரியல, கையில பசங்க பேச தெரியல, அந்த மாதிரி இருந்த சூர்யா அடினா உழைப்பு வந்துட்டு அப்படி வருவேன் என்று எதிர்பார்க்கல. இதாமத
He's a fabulous actor. He's very suitable with cop role. Angry cop. That style I really like. This one. Singham style.
டாக்டராலும் நினச்சேன்னா கவர்மெண்ட் காலேஜ் கிடைக்கல, கடைசியில் இன்ஜினியரிங் சிசி. ஆனால் 20,000 கட்ட முடியாமல்
இப்போ படம் கொடுத்தா படிப்பீங்க. யார் நினச்சிருக்கிறேன்
டெஃபினட்டஸ்
ஒன்றுமே இல்லாமல் இத்தனை நல்லது பண்ணுறேன். அரசியலில் சேர்ந்து இந்த தொகுதி உன் கையில் வந்தா
we know what we are doing. நாங்கள் நினைக்கிறதே வேற.
ஒருத்தர் உண்மையா படிச்சு ஒழுங்கா நல்ல வழியில் வேலையில் சேரும்னு நினைச்சா கூட எங்கள் படம் கொடுத்தா சார் ஆகணும்.
சமமான தரமான கல்வியை கொடுக்காம எப்படி தகுதியான மாணவர்கள் நீங்கள் எதிர்பார்ப்பீங்க?
1995 2015 வரைக்கும் 3,10,000 விவசாயிகள் இறந்திருக்காங்க.
கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரை பார்த்துக்கிட்டே தமிழ்நாடு முழுக்க 20 பேருக்கு மேல தற்கொலை செஞ்சிருக்காங்க, சூசைட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Don't do this.
இந்த மாதிரி ஆளுங்களை அரசியலுக்கு வந்தா இவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்குன்னு யோசிச்சுட்டான்.
நீங்க ஒரு கூட்டமா சேர்ந்துக்கிட்டு நிறைய நல்லது பண்றீங்க, நிறுத்திடுங்க.
நிறுத்தலன்னா செம்மடி.
He's having challenging life.
பத்திரிக்கையில அது எடுக்கிறாங்க. சூர்யா இனிமே ஆடாம இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும் படத்துல.
நம்ம அன்பா இருப்போம். என்ன நடந்தாலும் மற்றவங்க என்ன பேசினாலும் அன்பாவே.
சூர்யாவை என்ன தெரியுமா உனக்கு?
He dances as well very well.
அப்படியே லவ் எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த டைம் அது. சினிமா நிஜம் எல்லாமே. ஹாய் மாலி, ஹாய் கிருஷ்ணன், நான் இதை சொல்லி ஆகணும். நீ அவ்வளவா
Lot of movies.
Lot of movies, yeah.
நிறைய பார்த்தாச்சுங்க சார்.
நம்ம இப்ப அப்படியே வேற ட்ராக்.
Wow.
Full axe.
ஒவ்வொரு படத்துக்கும் ஏதாவது வித்தியாசமாக ட்ரை பண்ணுறாரு.
தேவி சேகர் கூட்டம்ல சார் பிக் ஸ்டாரிங் ரவிநாடு யாரா சார் நான் ஒத்த ஆள் சூர்யா மலையாளிகளோட மாதிரி सूर्य का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ वेरी वेरी बिग स्टार
International Filmfare Awards, Tamil Nadu States Awards.
lot of awards.
Inspiring young actor Surya.
சூர்யா ஸோ ஒரு ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கிங் பர்சன் ஒரு படத்துலையும் ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஃபிசிக்கல் ஹார்ட்
BGM, that behind background music, it's superb. Superb.
Before I think.
சர்வசாதாரணமான விஷயம் இவங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்தாலே
சான்ஸே இல்லை
எவ்வளோ உயரங்கிறதுலாம் முக்கியமே இல்லை சார் எவ்வளோ உயரங்கிறது தான் என்ன நடந்தாலும் மற்றவங்க என்ன பேசினாலும் அன்பாகவே
இது சூர்யா சார் வசாரி.
Wow. That was awesome.
Awesome. He has done brilliant
massively
job.
awesome.
Manzoor Rashid.
Yes.
Hats off to you, man. You have
Right.
done brilliant job, and it contains a lot of things like
Yes.
his struggle, his tough times, his hard times, and what
Right.
he has done for the
Everything.
followers, each and everything. He has helped also, and he's a
Right.
very superb person also from within.
Yes.
Because he was crying. I think some lady was telling something, her tough story, and he was like couldn't control his tears. So he's a very good person from within. He's a superb actor. His expression is mind blowing and whatnot.
Yes, in each and every part of this mashup you have seen, like he is a
Yeah.
good dancer as well, he is a good actor,
Yeah.
as well as he is good action guru, you can say.
Expression
His
guru also.
expression
Expression
guru,
also.
yes.
Like
That
his
also you can
eyes.
say, yeah.
Like we saw now some couple of
Right.
clips that his eyes and his this thing are shaking, like the expression and everything. Like it's bomb.
And
okay,
we know
truly.
we know him as a like he comes in the industry with a different type of concept of the movie.
Yeah.
Yes, each and every movie is having a different type of concept, and
Yes.
like we know that movie 24 was already we have done our trailer reaction
Yes,
in
you
the
can definitely
other channel.
in the
so,
other channel.
so that was also superb.
That
I
was
have
superb.
watched that movie. I like that movie.
You have watched that
Yes.
movie. So he's a brilliant actor, and the most which I like his face is very childish. Like even though he's a very senior, but his face like he can surely do any chocolate kind of
Yes, and also he
boy
has
role
done
and also
Singham kind of roles.
now that's I'm telling, like he is having that kind of facial structure who can act like a chocolatey boy kind of role, like college going and the chulbuli kind of role, and also as well as a very angry cop, okay,
Yes.
very senior kind of role.
Yes,
He is
I
having
think
that kind of facial structure.
He's getting transformed into a
Yeah.
19-year-old
That
boy for
movie
Sorai portrait.
Sorai portrait. So
Yes.
he can do that, okay, because he only can do.
Yes.
He is having that you can say audacity or that power to transform himself into anything. Okay,
Yes.
he is very talented and superb actor. May God bless him. Okay, what to say?
Right. And also he has a lot of awards also.
He has gotten a lot of awards.
Yes.
Also, he's a pride of Tamil cinema, and we are extremely proud of him.
Yes.
Okay, so yes, that is it for today's video. Again, on the 23rd, we'll be giving the reaction. Okay,
Yes.
this one is the superb. Okay, Manzoor Rashid, we have already seen. I think
For
Talapati Vijay and some others.
yes.
Mohanlal
I think
sir,
Talajit's,
we have
yes.
seen. Talajit's also we have seen. He has
He
done
has done
brilliant
brilliant
job
job.
every time. This one also very
Yes,
good.
of course. And I think a few more mashups are there, and
Yeah.
that is also good. I think we
Yes.
can get
Give
some
the
time,
reactions on
time on those reactions as
yes,
well.
yes. So on 23rd we'll be giving the reactions. We are not sure like on which mashup we'll be giving the reaction.
right.
So definitely on this channel also only we'll be giving the reaction. Okay. So yeah, that is it for today's video. So we thought that not to upload videos because we were mentally very upset, but we got a lot of messages from you guys that yeah, we are there to support you.
That's why we have opened
That is why
another
we have
channel
opened
as
another
well.
channel, and people are, you know, our friends are keep on telling that please, we are waiting for your videos, why you are not giving your reactions and all. We have already subscribed and we are waiting. So that's why we thought, okay, we have to, you know, get back and work. That is why. So yeah, that is a, you know, big story. So we'll be like talking much more
Right. On some
about
other
this
video.
on some other video,
Yes.
because a lot thing are there to talk,
Yes.
which we think we should, you know, address that thing to you all. As a platform, as a media, we are working on here, so we should, you know, address each and everything.
And also whatever the challenges we are facing,
We
we
are
can
facing,
showcase our challenge
yeah.
according to medium that video you can tell.
Correct. So we are just thinking that our channel can get restored, and
Let's see. Hope for the best.
hope for the best. Please pray for us. Okay, that
Yes.
we need the most now. So now let's read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Hari Kesavan, and he is writing his comment on Raja Rani Tamil movie accident scene reaction, and he is saying, guys, please react to Rowdy's thrash Dhanush scene from the movie Puddu Pettai. That was one of the epic scene for Dhanush's career. Okay, we haven't seen that
We haven't
scene.
seen that scene,
Yes,
yeah.
so
Definitely
of
we'll
course,
be
definitely we will be doing our reaction on that.
Yeah, definitely we'll be doing. We have a lot of plan, but because of this tragic story, we you know, are not able to complete all of those. But yes, we will be doing. We'll be doing. We'll be taking a little of time to, you know, habituate
back,
everything, come back and all. So definitely we'll be doing. And thank you so much, Hari, for commenting and for, you know, suggesting this scene. So the second comment for today's video is from Nikhil Lakhan Pal, and he's commenting on make a joke of reaction MJO the courtroom scene, and he's commenting, please give your reaction on courtroom part 2 also.
Yes.
So yes, we'll be doing very soon. Very
Yes,
soon
and
we'll be
please
doing,
subscribe
and
to this
please
channel
subscribe to
as
this
well.
channel also as well. Okay. So thank you so much for the suggestion and for commenting. So the third comment for today's video is from Yuvraj Srinivasu, and he's commenting on the community tag which we posted, right? And he's commenting, don't worry guys, coming out of obstacles is the real spirit. I hope this won't stop you from doing your good work. Keep your good spirit alive and real. We always support you guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
you
for
so much.
that.
Thank
for
you.
your kind words.
Yeah, so we are also doing our best. This is a very tough time, and those who are facing this thing, no, they only can know that how bad we are feeling right now.
Right now.
Okay, so yes, that will not stop us for doing our, you know, work.
Yes.
That is for sure. That is why we created this channel for
Yes,
you
of
guys,
course.
for our
If
work.
that channel got blocked also, we will continue with our new channel.
Yes, and I know that like you good
You guys
people,
will-
you guys
is
will
there to
always
support
support us, and thank you so much for your kind words. Okay,
Yes.
so yes, thank you for the comment and for watching our video. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.